Hi everyone, it's Winsome back again with another origami video, and today we're going to be making the Lil Chirp. So yeah, you can tell it's a birdie, and this origami is by J. Cole. So yeah, let's begin. I'm going to be, as usual, a square origami piece of paper. Yeah, made a mistake one time, but I decided to keep it just in case I want to use it for a different origami video. And this is fine because we're going to need these folds. We're going to make a pig base first of all. So I've already folded it in half, but fold it in half exactly as so. Open it back up and then fold it up again to the center crease. And fold the other side as well to the center crease, and try not to cover the whole origami with my hands so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Then after that we're going to fold this origami in half. Oops. Like so. And then once folded in half, we're going to unfold it and then fold each side to the center. Then once you've done that, you want to unfold it and then squash the corners down like this. So just following the creases, you're going to just open and squash it down to form these triangles. And try to get them as neat as possible. Like so, like this, and then what you simply have to do is fold each of them back, fold each flap back. Oops, that's a bit wonky. Let me just quickly adjust that. And then yeah, you've got your pig base like so. Then we're going to flip it over like this, and what we're going to do, starting off with, is fold it to the center. So fold each flap to the center like this. And then we're going to, after folding each one to the center, flip it back round to the sides with these flaps like this, and we're going to fold these two corners here up to, like, if you can see the squares here, like halfway between. Well, it's obviously not going to reach the top, but yeah, fold it so it's like halfway like so. I think that's halfway. Yep. Like that. And then what you're going to do is fold this back to this corner here. Fold the tip to the corner like, oh my gosh, like so. Like this. And then you're gonna want to try, so this is a bit hard, but you're gonna want to try and fold, make creases to make the beak here. So what you can do is like get the center and then try as possible make folds. I'm like flipping it this way because obviously it's slightly easier, I think, if I do it like that, so I can see the like inside here for me, where to exactly fold. Then if you fold it down, you can kind of crease it up, like bend it like this to actually get like fold it in half to get that proper crease. So yeah, like so, finally did it. So what I did was kind of like fold this part in half and then like completely fold the model and like press it down to get that crease. And then you're just going to do the same with the top. So repeating that again, I'm going to just fold this center and then fold it in half like this to actually get the crease. And then yeah, here is your little, what's it, Lil Chirp is what they called it. It's such a strange name. And then what you can do after that actually is press this down like so. So it was like this, open, and then press down into a diamond shape. And then you're just going to lift this flap up here to the top. So lift the tip to the top to make one eye, and do the same with this corner. All you're going to do is open it up and press down. And then again, flip this up to the tip. Oops, don't close the other. And then now you proper have a little chirp. So yep, here's the cute origami that you can kind of play with. Oops, my camera just all of a sudden stopped right now, I think because it's heating up because of the light there. But as usual, thanks for watching. Write a comment down below of what you thought about this video. Like the video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other stuff I will post. And yeah, hope to see you next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.